DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? Boy, we back in this bitch with another one, gang. Yeah, man, we're there with another lit video, man. I don't know what's going on today, man. Huh? Today's collab day. Today's drop day. What's going on today, man? I'll be a music I drop. I'll be a collabs I drop, bro. If you know, I just reacted to Skilly and Azuri. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you go check that video out. Or it's after this one. One or the other. I don't know. But yeah, man, be a link up, be a collabs going on, man. But you see what we are dealing with today? We're there with the Rattigan boss and father, Dippo, and Jiggy D. You know what I'm saying? One of them loyal, Gyal. But yeah, man, that's a collab, bro. I ain't even, yo, man, I expect that one. Have they collab before? Have Valiant and Skeng collab before? I don't think so. Have they? Have we reacted to Valiant and Skeng before? I don't think so, have we? Yeah, this is the first collab, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, well, check out this and see what dog them I deal with, man. This crazy, man. Yeah, the one of them loyal Gyal. I was like, what? Skeng and Valiant. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I want to check it out and see one. It's a good look, man. I like how I go on the dance hall. Be a collabs. You see me, people working together, push the culture forward. Yeah, man, it's a good look. People have to step out of their comfort zone, be more creative, all that good stuff, man. It's a good look, you know what I'm saying? So I'm liking what's going on. But yeah, man, this one caught me off guard. I had to do it right away, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, this is Skeng of Valiant and Jiggy D, the one of them loyal Gyal. Yo, man, them two dogs up on the same track should be very late, bro. You know what I'm saying? Should be very late, bro. I'm not sure what direction should I expect this to go. Should I expect a more Valiant beat? You see me? If it's a Valiant beat, I'm expecting more sing wise. If it's a Skeng, a more DJ type thing, but we don't know what approach I'm gonna take. Let's see what I go on do. This sounds interesting, gang. You see me? Let's jump right and try this Skeng, Valiant, Jiggy, loyal Gyal. Let's get it. Yo, that place look beautiful, bro. Where is this dog? Which part is this dog? Which part is this? Does it just look like Manchester, Portmore, you know what I'm saying? Port Island place there. You know, which part dog? Let me know, gang. That place look crazy. Like, she and creative again. She and creative again. That gang, she and creative again, dog, shooting video. That man putting in work, bro. You know what I'm saying? No cap.
Say she love a body.
Let you go outside. Easy on one. Nice. Easy on. Yeah.
Say she love a body.
Easy on.
Tight down and she shake when the Glock.
Okay. I like the direction. It seems like it a go gang. Let's get it.
Loyal girl, I'm turning her dark. Say she done with love and she wants so cocky.
That's crazy. Oh, that I go on loyal girl, I'm talking that dog shit. So she done with girl, she wants it. Hey, easy, that's crazy.
I'm gonna tell her about my type of girl. The gun cut up on the right side of her. You suck the cocky with a right type of vibe. Your pussy type, and I live in a yard for the whole week. Shift up. Me nah jog, I'm with my girl. Shift
up. This year I got hit. I'm telling you from right now. This is gonna be a hit. It's gonna be everywhere. Radio, on the locally, radio and in the club, everywhere. The Gyal I'm gonna love this. I already know what I need. Where's the name? Loyal Gyal. You know what I'm saying? I like loyal Gyal. I'm gonna say them a loyal Gyal, no. So I'm gonna play it just so you know. But no, I really should know that. This I hit. I can hear it already. I can't imagine Skeng verse. If it come off how I expected, it's gonna be crazy, gang.
Catch it on the bed, stand up, charge bust the gains. Rapid burst, make the belly start. Come done with the husband, so she never fuck with a gunman. Punish town, the killer come from. Make it can pan the long stallion. She no care Valiant. Bar give me everything when she have bar run millions. Pan it down, in a couple of a bag, natural some stay, some tan.
Gang, this a hit, gang. Yeah, man, this a hit, man. Shout out to Skeng and Valiant, bro. They did that. Jiggy, yeah, y'all did that, bro. Y'all came together and did this one, man. Come on.
Don't fuck on the rooftop, fucking at the car on the roof drop. She a wine her waist, make up her face, cocking her belly, I'ma pull her hair. I'ma tell her about my type of girl. The gun.
Bro, come on, bro. these niggas pulled it off. This is fire. This is gonna be a hit, gang. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be a hit. No cap. No cap. Pull that. Wow, low key, I pull up back Skeng verse, you know. Maybe you gonna jump in again back at the end.
I'ma pull out, yeah. I'ma tell you about my type of girl. The gun cut up on the right side, just like the cocky with a right type of vibe. I push the type and I live in the yard for the whole week. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Me nah watch out, I'm with my girl. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Bad girl was so cocky, don't.
Easy no man, I'm tear man. Me now watch you coming with my girl.
Yes. Well, I make my pop in her face. Mascara they all over my waist. I'm a joke around, I'm spitting her face. I dash it.
Yo. Bro, I tell us the like blood. No, this I hate. I'm telling you, this scene go make this shit go crazy. Everybody gonna be talking about this shit. Everybody gonna be talking about this shit, guy. This is a hit, no cap. Let's get it.
My pop in her face. Mascara they all over my waist. I'm a joke around, I'm spitting her face. I dash like so she drive for the happy eyes. Got my fuck and she call her father.
Hear me now, Valiant type moji of Gyal by a long side, my God, my tongue.
Easy no Skeng that jump on that. Let's pull that shit back up. Let's pull that shit back up. Skeng about to kill it now. Stop playing.
Hear me now, Valiant type moji of Gyal by a long side, my God. My tongue that in a the Barbie doll. Rabbi do my pinky finger. I want the such man. Say she rather her side, man a husband a waste a time of that.
But girl fuck on the rooftop. Fucking at the car.
Husband a waste our time. That's crazy, gang. That's crazy.
On the roof drop. She a wine her waist. Make up her face. Cocking her belly. I'ma pull her, yeah. I'ma tell you about my type of girl. The gun cut up on the right side, just like the cocky with a right type of vibe. I push the type and I live in the yard for the whole week. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Me nah watch out, I'm with my girl.
Voilà, man, I tell you, this a hit, gang. I'm telling you. That Mafia, I'm telling you, gang. This is a hit. No cap. No cap. No cap. Me know the girl them all over this one, man. Yo, let me know what I'm thinking in the comment section, bro. This a hit, bro. This have to go. This is going viral. I'm telling you. Yeah, man, the man them did it. Man them did this right. No cap.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Easy no.
One more.
Easy no, man.
Check it in.
Yeah, man. This going. This hit. Yeah. That's what we call bangers, gang. That's what we call bangers, gang. Yeah, man. Yeah. It's crazy. Very crazy day, bro. Yeah, man. Bangers I dropped today, man. Be a bad tune I dropped today, bro. You don't know, God, something is in the air. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. That's dope. Yeah, man. Shout out to Skeng, Valiant, and Jiggy, bro. The one named Lion Gyal. This is a banger. Me know the girls in my love this one. Even the dogs in my love. Like, you don't know, love Lion Gyal, them, you see me? Yeah, man. This one getting added to the playlist for sure. For sure. No cap. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Shout out to them, bro. It's been a minute. You see me? It's been a couple months since we reacted to a Skeng. Might be lying. What was the last track we reacted from Skeng, gang? I can't remember. What was the last track? Wasn't it the CM song down? Fever was the last one. Reacted from Skeng. Am I right again? Am I right? I might be wrong. No, wasn't that a Gyal tune? The last track we reacted from Skeng. Oh, it was She. And before that was Sha-la-la-la-la. Okay, She. Yeah. Well, yeah, man. It's been one. Yeah, it's only been a couple weeks too. Yeah. But yeah, man. Skeng doing this thing, bro. Shout out to Skeng and Valiant, bro. I think they found a hit, and this is gonna be a banger. You know what I'm saying? I know this shit going probably be all over the TikTok and, you know what I'm saying, IG, social media and stuff, man. Yeah, man. This is a banger. I know the girls are all over on this. So shout out to them. They found one. Don't know, gang. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let's chop it up. Let's discuss it. What y'all think? Was it a banger or was it not? Hit or miss? Let me know. Am I wrong? Is me what was your favorite part? Who you think took the beat? Is me? And if you like, go show the artist and love and support, making us a Jambisco and send them. You already know what time it is, gang. Yeah, man. Yeah. Till next time, gang. I'm back. Till next time. I was here with a hit and smash and bang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.